Thank you for tuning into the market update with Russell Calkins for this August 17th, 2018, currently 5:14 p.m. Arizona time. Well, I've got some pretty exciting news today. We have currently three positions that we're currently in as of yesterday's recommendation. Let's cover them one by one. First of all, the dollar index. All right, dollar cost average price on four positions at 95.81. All right, the dollar index closed today at 96. Good job. We are only 19 points from in the money or at the money. That's really good because remember, we have four positions in the dollar. We have one that is 96.50. Now you can take profits on those higher positions if you want. No problem with that. All right. If you want to reduce your position on those four trades, you've already got two trades in profits. The other two trades, we can hang in there a little longer. All right. The number two trade was the gold position. We have one position in gold. We weren't able to dollar cost average anymore, and we bought those. You can check just a few YouTube videos ago, and you can verify. I'll start posting the charts on the reply line. It'll be the first reply under this YouTube video. So you always have a chart to look at on the YouTube site. Normally I was providing it on other media platforms, but I'm going to post that on the YouTube platform from now on. On the first reply, you'll see the link to investing.com. Click on that and you'll see the charts that I work with. Real simple formulas, nothing complex. Okay, that's the way I've done it my whole life for over 40 years. All right. So we bought the gold at 1179.40, and currently the gold is way up from our position. And let me just look at where the gold closed at. The gold closed significantly higher than our 1179.40. So you can check I'm looking at another market right now, so you can check your gold. By the way, I really don't tell you when I'm going to get out of these positions, but I can tell you that your gold position is in pretty good money right now because the markets went, we purchased that on the 15th and it's already way in the money. So you can take profits on that whenever you want. So the gold's in the money. Crude oil, yesterday we got the crude oil. We sold the crude oil bought the crude oil at 65.05. So $65.05 per barrel. All right, and that's actually $65.05 for a barrel. That's 55 gallons in a barrel, and a contract's 1,000 barrels. But we purchased it at 65.05, got filled, and currently it's at 65.91. Remember, every dollar's $1,000 per contract. So this is a really nice profit that you have in the crude oil. And I'll give you a hint, okay? The only positions that I have right now are the dollar, all right? So it's up to you when to take profits. There's your hint for the day. And it's also up to you to put in your stop losses. If in fact you're not in the options market, if you're just doing straight up futures market, you can put in your stop losses. All right, so what we're going to be involved in today is the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 on the daily chart, I will put the chart under this YouTube video so you can see exactly what I'm looking at. You can paper trade this, you can put real money on this. Again, every single recommendation that I have given, except this one position we're holding on to, the dollar index, has been way in the money and we have taken profits. Just again, look at the past recommendations, look at the charts, and you can see that these positions every one of them has made money except for the current position that we're holding on to, which is the dollar, which went very favorable our way. Two positions are in profits, two positions are out of the money right now. So bottom line is you're real close to being in the money on all four positions. And I'll give you another little hint. I only have two of those four positions in the dollar. All right. So we're going to the S&P 500. Now the S&P 500 closed at 2853.25 on the most active month. You want to be a seller of the S&P 500 at 2866.67. All right. And you want to be a buyer on the S&P 500 at 2800.79. And of course, the Williams percent R is at 14.43. Remember, zero's the top and 100's the bottom. It can go below 100 and it can go above the zero, if that makes any sense, on the Williams percent R. It's very rare that anything like that happens, but I've seen it happen. So right now we're at 14.43. We are way overbought on the S&P 500. However, we are still quite a ways from being filled on the S&P 500. By that I mean we're about 13 points from being filled on our S&P 500. So you want to sell it at 2866.67. And of course, past performance never ever guarantees future profits. Thank you for tuning into the market update. I hope you're enjoying all this money on these recommendations, because there are a lot of people that are enjoying the profits on these recommendations. Be sure to start out with paper trading if you've never done this before. If you feel bold about it and want to use money on these recommendations, go ahead and do so. Look at the past recommendations that I've given, and it'll give you confidence on following these recommendations. All right? And may God bless you.